Hi everyone, you're welcome to Dave Scott Academy. In this section, I'm going to be introducing you to the basic tools that barber make use while doing haircuts. And these are also tools for beginners. Like if you are a learner and you are starting afresh as a learner, these are the basic tools you need to familiarize yourself with. These are the tools you need to be conversant with. Firstly, we have the clipper. The clipper comprises of different components. Here we have the switch control, where you turn on the clipper and you turn it off. You know, the switch control. We have the adjuster, where you adjust your clipper to a different level you want it to be. Like this is a zero level, where you have your blade close. You have one, we have two, we have three, we have four. So the clipper have different adjustment level. This is the edge which is the blade. We have the small blade and the big blade. The both blade come together to form a mechanism that does the hair cutting. So without the small blade, the big blade cannot do the hair cutting, and without the big blade, the small blade cannot do the hair cutting. So they both component need each other to do what? To function. So these are the screw. These are the screw to screw the blade. And this is the fiber, the body of the clipper. Though in another section I'll be able to open the clipper to show you what we have inside. This is what we call trimmer. The trimmer is mainly used for hairlines, shaving, and detailing. This is a control switch where you turn it on and turn it off. These are the screw, the edge, and we have the small blade. The both blade form a mechanism that does the hair cutting. Without the both blade, you cannot do your hair cutting. This clipper is mainly used for detailing. It's called trimmer. This is a this is called shaver. The shaver comprises of different components as well. This part of the blade is mainly used for smoothing, like to smoothen your bald haircut, your skin haircut, to smoothen your skin fade and all of that. And this part is like a blade, is mainly used for underneath. You can use it to shave your underneath. This is the this is the switch control where you have the on and off control, and this is your charging port where you pull out the charging switch. From here you plug it to the socket, directly to the socket, then your motor begins to charge. So this is your shaver. There's another clipper called shaver. This is scissors. Scissors is mainly used for detailing. Maybe after you must have achieved your haircut, the level of the hair you want. Maybe you still have some spiky hair, so you use your scissors to get a perfect trim and make the hair even. So this is the handle and this is the blade. So you handle your scissors from the two handle. These are the handler. That's where you handle your scissors. So scissors is mainly a detailer. This is the straight razor. Straight razor is also a detailer. After you must have used your, you know, trimmer to achieve your lines, then you use your detailer to get a perfect, smooth and clean lines is always used for a precise shaving. Like if you want your line to be precise and to be detailed, this is what we use to achieve precise hairlines. It's called straight razor. So here we have the clipper gas. You call it clipper guard or you call it clipper step. This is your step one. It's mainly used for low cut. This is your 1.5. 1.5 is mainly used for faded. Like you can use it to fade your afro, to fade your tapper fade, your drop down fade, all kind of fades. So this step is one of the most important steps that Baba make use while doing fading. This is your step two. Step two is mainly used for achieving level of afro. Like if you want your hair to be low but not too low, you can use your step two. This is a hairbrush. This airbrush comprises of two parts. Here we have the hard part. Here we have the soft part. The hard part is mainly used for low cut where you have some quantity of hair on your client while doing the haircut. So it's advisable you use the hard part. But when you are doing a very low cut, like almost semi-skin low cut or a skin cut, it's advisable you use the soft part or you use the soft brush. This is a soft brush. This is succulent, soft, and smooth. As a matter of fact, you can even use it on the face. That is how soft it is. This is your face brush. It's also called duster. You can use it to dust your customer face, dust the neck. After doing all the haircut, this is what you use to clean up your client. You can add a little powder to it to give you a smooth and clean, finishing. So this is called face brush duster. So we have comb. This is like afro comb. You can see the the comb is long, so you can use to pick long hair. It's called afro comb. This is tail comb. Is mainly used for low cuts, like 1.5 got 2 and all of that. So this is where we are going to be stopping today.